12 days of Stashmas. This is the 11th day and we are doing a, oopsie daisy, I got that in the way. I didn't mean to do that for you guys. We are doing a unboxing of Sydney Grace Shadows and we'll take a look at how to organize some Sydney Grace stuff. So I've got the packing slip here to verify that I've got all my shadows. And let's get started. So inside it looks like I've got 18 new shadows coming in from Sydney Grace and a couple palettes. Okay, so this is how it's all packed. All right. Okay, inside here we've got the single shadows. So they stack them in there and then they're in sleeves. So let me go ahead and get this out of the way, get these down, grab my handy dandy scissors, and then you guys can see inside how this works. There you have it. So there's all the shades. That's how they come. So if you've never made a Sydney Grace purchase before, this is how they look when they come in. Way cool, right? That looks like a shade I've already got in my collection. Here's the next box. Just had to slice that open and, oh wow. This is, it doesn't tell you because it's on the other side, but this is an amazing looking shade. It looks kind of like a, I don't know. I grabbed a couple greens, some more shiny pinky purples, like a gold color. I know exactly what this is, like strawberries and cream. Yeah, this is strawberries and cream, and I accidentally grabbed two of these, so one of these is going to get set over here for my 500 subscriber giveaway. Ooh, I got some nice deep dark rich shades. I got kind of a bluish silver. I believe this is Pismo, so that's kind of like a grayish cool toned muted medium, light to medium maybe. I will just show you how to like take these out really carefully. So just take that over. This is Geese Laying, by the way. I don't know how I can remember these shades, but anyways, there you have it. Geese Laying. Nope, doesn't look like it will. Okay, anyways, that's Geese Laying. So there you have that. And then I just take these, so sorry. I just take these and put the little sleeve back in them and then put them in the box to recycle for later. They do not contain the name on the outside anywhere on the sleeve, so you can always keep like half a dozen of these in case you decide to like pass some on or declutter them, and then they can go to... Okay, I hope that's a little better. There we go. So I just take these and I keep like half a dozen of these sleeves. Then if I need to declutter any of them, I've got a sleeve that I can put them in. Okay? They don't have the names on the backs of them, so it doesn't matter which ones you keep. I believe this is Pismo. Let me check. No, Iced Mocha. So there you go. I grabbed some more mattes. A lot of people were asking about mattes in my Sydney Grace videos. I got some comments about those. I really think Sydney Grace shines on their shimmers and their duochromes the most, but their mattes are excellent too. You won't go wrong if you buy them, but I feel like that's where you can save money. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these all taken out of their sleeves and I'll meet you right back here in just a snap. Okay, so we are back. We've got them all unboxed.
Hey, Mommy, that little one doesn't look pretty.
That's called Geese Laying. So let's go ahead and swatch some of these.
And what is this one called?
That one's Strawberries and Cream. So this is Go For It.
How we put a white tail?
That's pretty.
How you put a white tail?
Polished Silver. It's kind of got a blue tint to it. All Awesome. Let's swatch just a couple of mattes.
Can I swatch one?
Yes, you may. Do you want to swatch it? This is iced mocha. Go for it, Benny.
First that one.
Okay, and then that one. Remember, new finger each time. That's pretty. That's iced mocha. Let's do this green one here. This is, oops, sorry, excuse me, Siren Call. I think it's fully matte. It just looks, I think I might just have like a little bit of shimmer left over on my hand. But anyways, that is Siren Call. Boy, that is very buttery, folks. Very buttery. There you go. And one more. Should we do Geese Soleil? That looks like a beautiful brown, baby. Should we do Geese Soleil? I feel like that one does stand out quite a bit.
Yeah, that one does look pretty.
Let's see what it looks like on my skin tone. Oh, wow. It's really buttery.
Can you try mine?
Yeah. Go ahead and put your arm in right around here. And Benny is probably around MAC NC10. So that's going to show up very bright on him. He's got really, really fair skin, just like Mommy. Let's do
Pretty.
Forever Enough. Yes. Okay, be careful.
I really like that one. Can you swatch down on me?
I did. Yeah, I can swatch it on you, though. Let's go ahead and swatch that one on you.
It will look pretty on me.
Yes, it looks very pretty. Wow, look at that.
Wow, this one?
That is Siren Call. All right, so we are going to get these all inventoried in, and then you guys will see the organization of it. So I grabbed a Sydney Grace palette. It only holds 12. I bought 18. So I do have some other palettes coming in, but I will try and get this kind of organized, and you guys will see the final result. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I had all my mattes placed in the bigger one, and then all of my shimmers that aren't really considered bridal-esque are going to be placed in the accompanying palettes. So that is it for the organization of my Sydney Grace shadows. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and can't wait to see you in my next video.